Hello there. My name is Marina Liaros Naples. I am the owner of Mind Body Spirit Creations, a Florida-based company. And under that company are three offerings. The first one is holistic care products. And what I do is I create and make all natural body care products. Everything from I've got flower essences and scrubs and muscle salve, a chest cold ointment, lip balms, bug repellent spray, a topical magnesium blend, and many other items as well. I sell those direct, but also what I've added to the line is to be able to create gift packages for favors for your special event. Wedding receptions, baby showers, bridal showers, retirement parties. So small size soaps, lip balms, little sugar scrubs, all different types of different all natural products. And when I say all natural, I mean that there are no artificial ingredients, nothing synthetic in anything that I make. Most of the ingredients are organic. They're also unrefined and unprocessed. So you can be rest assured that it is all natural, wholesome goodness in all of my products. I will infuse oils with different herbs and flowers, some of which I grow in my own organic garden in my own yard. And I also use essential oils in many of my products, and I also have a non-scented line as well. I also offer is Meeting Ike series, and Ike is the inner knowledge elf for children and inner knowledge essence for teens and adults. I teach classes and courses. I have merchandise such as prayer pillows and chakra healing balancing cloth sets and other merchandise that I have coming to the line soon. I also have downloadable guided meditations. I teach on a platform called OutSchool, and I also am just in the process to start recording to upload to udemy.com, and that's udemy.com, and those courses will be available 24/7 around the globe. I will be looking forward to putting together some classes that directly through me more to the end of the year. I'm going to have a really busy year with a lot of things going on, so putting that toward the end of the year. Stitched art is going to be coming this summer, and that is going to be embroidered items, all with a holistic, metaphysical, and spiritual themes. So watch for that as well. I hope that you will follow along with me on YouTube over here, like and subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of all new videos that are uploaded. You can find my Meeting Ike series and also holistic care products on Facebook, here on YouTube, and also on many other social media platforms. Meeting Ike series has got a Blog Talk Radio show as well. I hope that you will follow along and surely stay in touch with me. Comment and ask questions. Give me some of your experiences of the different things that I have on the different videos. I'd love to hear from you.